Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening, I'm gonna make some bad juice. You understand what I did? So I use my carrot and my Irish. So what I gonna do, I go cut up my carrot and then boil it a little, make them boil it on the Irish and blend them. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen and be a badness. Yeah guys, so as you can see, I light up my stove and I make the water go on. And so what I'm gonna do now, I go cut up my carrots and the Irish and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, so I go cut up my carrot them now and make them boil. Oh god. Guys, the juice I go bad, carrot and Irish. carrot, make them go and boil. Guys, that juice have a fun, I'm not lie if you tell you. Guys, I've asked a question. We call somebody bang belly goat. Matter of fact, what is an indistinct language? What is indistinct language? Somebody please drop a comment and tell me what is indistinct language. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I go on knife up there. I make them go and boil and blend it. Guys, just watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on in the pot. Yeah, people, what me I say, me never know you can get charged because somebody bang belly goat. A matter of fact, what is indecent language? Because somebody bang belly goat, that is not an indecent language. Yo, boss, people, when I go here, I go on, I go back a quote the 18th of next month. So guys, I go make you know what I go on. You understand me? Did? How can you have somebody in a quote fi call them bang belly goat? People may not understand this. Everybody may say to a laugh, them laugh. You understand me, did? But God not sleep. You understand me, did? You think of that they have me in a quote for? Right now, I cheat them, I try if you cheat me, if you send me a jail. You understand me, did? And to, you see, to, hey, I don't want to talk certain things right now. After the quote, I go talk and I can know what I go on. You understand me, did? But right now, I cheat them, I try if you cheat me. If you send me a jail, I want to not believe this. Yes, sir, because me is a Jamaican. You understand me, I did. I want to get a liar, but everything good people. Me have liar from when or when. And the liar no want to do nothing. Now what day you know, you go call me. After you find out, say, me have court and something. Because people are tell lie upon me. You understand me, I did. And for 2021, we go court, we no go court again. And up till today, you no call me. And when people I tell lie upon me and I carry me in gas station, I have me in a courthouse now. You, as a liar, go call me and I go tell me, say, oh, you see me name come up on computer. Me have appointment. Me say me never come to your office come make no appointment. Cause when me bring his summons come and show no want to tell me no need no lawyer. So watch. Me no need no. You understand me? I did I. Make them charge me for insult for bang belly goat. Make them charge me for bang belly goat cause that is a insult. It's a insult. You understand me? I did. That is not an indecent language. Boss, you need to go back to school. You go tell me about indecent language. You need to go back to school. You no big and dunks. Me I tell you that you no dunks, you no illiterate. water, when I boil the carrot and the Irish in, I blend it in. You understand, Marty? So watch out now. I go blend, see the rest? Yeah, I go blend it now and I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, I be a badness. Yeah guys, so what I go do now, I go blend up the rest, I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand, Marty? Guys, me not lie bad. Believe that. Yeah guys, so I blend up the rest. What I go do, I go pour roti and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand, Marty? Yeah. Yeah guys, so I go on Nicholas kitchen guys, be your badness. You see that? I tell you, when I want strong food and strong drinks, you check out Nicholas Brown, Jamaican style. You understand what I did? Yeah. And remember guys, please like, share, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell. As a video drop, you have it. Guys, I want you drop a comment and tell me what you think about me carrot and Irish. Guys, it bad. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put it cool. Don't know badness. Go see you in our next video guys. I'm out. Yeah guys, so see you in the back. So I go on. I go pour some in one cup. I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand me I did? Yeah. Guys, the bad me not lie if you tell you. Yeah guys, I see what I go on. I go pour out some. Gonna see what I go on. Guys, it bad. Guys, I mean not lie if you tell you. You see this? Me no put no guineas, no supplement. You understand me I did? What you see me use in the video, that me use. Me no use nothing else. Guys, it bad. Believe that. Guys, them a juice a real power juice. You understand me I did? Yeah. Guys, I'm out. Guys, believe me, as when me say, no guineas, no supplement. That one are bad. In our life, you tell you. Look for Nicolite, guys. Guys, that one are bad. Sell off.